Hey, this will be a video chart on EVRM, Ever Media Group Incorporated. Very nice day today. Really had a good reaction from the bulls, pushed it up. Stock was up 60% today, so really made a nice move. And I want to get this updated. Again, been getting quite a few questions and requests for it. And judging by today's action, it deserves an update since it's starting to show some life again. So a few updates. What you see here with all these lines. These are from the previous time I did the video chart. So we'll just start by kind of updating those. The first thing here, if I extend this over, this was a previous low, which was a support. But when the bulls pushed through it here, it became a resistance. So for a time being, this was red. But then after today's action, breaking through it, closing up above it, it has now turned it back into a support. So we'll change that right back to green again. So this right now is one of the supports you'll want to watch, the actual value of that being 0.019. But the key support, and this is one of the really good things to see, is going to be this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. You can see that the price hovered right around it for about a week or so, and then today finally separated itself back from it, showing that it has held as support, which is a good sign and what you want to see. So if there is any pullbacks and this support level fails, not the end of the world because we still do have the 200-day simple moving average underneath us. But if if you had your choice, obviously you'd want to see this support level hold. But if you get any separation to the downside away from the 200-day, so if let's say you get a candle that closes way down here, that's pretty far separating, that's not a good thing. But we won't worry about that right now because we actually had a good day today. Now the one thing that was kind of confusing was the volume. It wasn't a huge volume day. I mean, it was decent, but for getting a big day like this, I'd expect a volume day like that, or maybe something like that, or even one of these days. So that was the only kind of surprising thing. I'm not saying that's bad. I'm just saying it's kind of surprising that the bulls made this much traction with only this amount of volume. A couple of reasons for that. Maybe there's been a big shareholder in here that's slowly been selling, and now he's out, so the price can move easier. That's pure speculation on my part. That could be one reason why. Perhaps the company was, raising some money, and now they're done. Therefore, the price can move easier. Once again, pure speculation on my part. But either way, this volume bar shows that the price had no problem moving on much less volume. So hopefully, that'll continue, and you won't need big volume bars like this. Maybe just volume or share days like this can start to give you bigger prices or bigger price movements. But only the future will tell us that one. Now, in terms of resistances, I pretty much already have these on here. This was a resistance from the last time I did it, and still is. And actually, this is the key resistance right now to get through. This level is up here at 0.025, so that will be the next battleground that the bulls want to get through. And then after 0.025, we have the big bad bully up here of the 50-day simple moving average. That's valued right now at 0.028, 0.029 if you want to round up. So these are going to be the two short-term or near-term resistance levels that the price will face. So these are the ones that I want to keep your eye on, and we'll take one step at a time, and I'll update it as these resistance levels fall, which hopefully they will. The other thing is looking down here at the MACD, you can see that it's not quite there yet, but we got it curled up, and it's just getting ready to hopefully do the bullish crossover there. After the crossover, what you'd like to see happen is for it to then get up here and cross above zero. If you understand the MACD, MACD's above zero, that's just even better. These crossovers are good, but getting back above zero is even better because that really implies that the trend is picking up some good strength and steam. So keep your eye on the MACD also as next week unfolds. So overall, great day, great start to what's hopefully going to be a bigger bounce and a bounce that'll turn into a reversal. But we'll see what happens next week. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription to the newsletter, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big board. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is it's all free. We've been making some good money together. So, go check it out. One last time, this was EVRM, Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.